This is the small intestine of the pork. Now we will remove the fat, this white part that keep all the intestine together. After we remove the part inside that we don't need, and we keep only the gut or the case or the skin of the intestine, because we will use to make in the future salami or sausage. Okay, I was able to turn upside down like a socks and clean the inside. After I will do the same, and I will put in the glass container with the salt. I do this in the basin, will be more easy if not you make a mess everywhere. I cut in 3 pieces, more or less they are long 1 meter, 50 centimeter will be enough. After I put in the salt, I put in the fridge. See you in few days to check our case for the salami. Sorry, I forgot to mention that we need to wash our pork casing with water and vinegar. So you can use 500 ml of water and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And now we wash with fresh water and we put in the jar salt, pork casing, salt, pork casing, and we conclude with the salt. Don't worry if the salt melt, is normal. The important is after you put the jar in the fridge. Now we put in the fridge. Remember that you can store in the fridge maximum 6 months. After 1 month, I can show you that this kind of technique works very well, because with this pork casing there is still one small piece. I have done the dry Italian sausage that you will see in the next video. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, and to watch all the other videos. If you have some suggestion in the way that you can cure the meat or prepare the casing, pork casing for the sausage, let us know down in the comments. Bye bye!